KOM News now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. We're just north of Lamar. You can see the city limits within sight here. It's I-49 northbound. If you tap your screen, click that bit link, it'll take you to our news tab with more details. A cement mixer truck, full load, 8.5 yards, I believe. 62,000 pounds overturned here. Happened about 10 a.m. Missouri State Highway Patrol Trooper Artie Torbeck tells us the driver was still awake, alert, talking to EMS. Was injured, transported to a Joplin hospital. Moments ago, the decision was made to remove the cement mixer truck from the outer road. So all traffic here has returned to normal on I-49. I think right now it's still catching up. That overpass there, that's the city limits of Lamar there. So it's just now going to all lanes back to normal. We understand it's a single vehicle crash. And we'll update our article with more details. So the east outer road, expecting some delays. They'll also be closing that down here in a little bit. It's the busiest travel day of the year, they say. I'm Shannon Becker, KOM News Now. Traffic is just now getting back to normal. Now, this is a cement mixer truck overturned about 10 a.m. this morning. We're just north of Lamar city limits. The driver was transported to a Joplin hospital. I believe non-life-threatening conditions. Trooper Artie Torbeck tells us he got to the driver almost immediately. He was here really close when it happened. And the driver was still awake, alert, talking, was injured, but a female driver transported to the area hospital. So initially, traffic was detoured here kind of around the crash. There was some cement in the road. It washed it off. Lamar Fire Department was here almost immediately also. You could see the city limits from here. We're to the north. And so it was pretty quick. Lamar Fire Department was able to wash that off the road. MoDOT also came out and able to open up a lane of traffic. Now they've opened up both lanes of traffic, and they're going to remove it here from the east outer road. They're dragging it. And we'll update our article with more details. So you tap your screen, click the link, it'll take you to our news tab, and then the article is there for you, all right? Barton County also here. Missouri State Highway Patrol, Santa Fe, Lamar Fire Department just moments ago also cleared the scene with MoDOT. Thanks for sharing our stories, and thanks for the updates. People were letting us know on our way here. If you tap your screen, click that bit link. KOM News Now. The information we have so far included.